Here is the question. According to question, we may draw the graph of f dash x like this. From 0 to 1. You see in this there are many zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but this crosses the x-axis two times, exactly two times, 1 and 2. You may draw also like this, 0 to 1. In this as well you see many zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but in this as well the graph crosses the x-axis two times, 1 and 2. So these two graphs are different, but one thing is common to both. You saw that there are three parts in this graph. Also there are three parts in this graph as well. One part is this part. This part is above x-axis. This part is below x-axis, and again this part is above x-axis. In the same way, you see that this part is below x-axis, this is above x-axis, and this is below x-axis. So we have two parts on one side, two parts on one side, and one part on other side. These sentences, this statement is true for both. Now you know that suppose in the first graph f dash x is positive for the first part, so 2 times positive, and for this part positive, so positive two parts, f dash x is negative one part, and in this f dash x is negative for two parts, and f dash x is positive for one part. So if you see this, then the graph, this means that the graph is increasing. Here positive means graph is increasing, negative means decreasing, and again increasing. So this is f dash x, this is f dash x in two different cases. So first we draw fx for this graph. This curve is above, this means that f dash is positive, means the function is increasing. Negative means function is decreasing. Positive means function is again increasing. So this graph, now in this function is decreasing, so like this. Thereafter this part is from this part is above, so again increasing. Then you see below, this part is below x-axis, so again decreasing. In both cases we can draw a line. Here you see y, fx equal to y is any real number. Y means at a height, y refers to height, so at a height you have to draw horizontal lines. Suppose I draw this one horizontal lines. You see that these lines cut this function fx maximum at 3 points, 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3, maximum 2. So here also in the question you see that maximum number of solution. So here in the blank space you have to write 3.